How to get an Instagram swipe up link without 10,000 followers. You may have noticed different Instagram users adding a swipe up option to their Instagram story so that they can link to an external website on Instagram. Typically, you're only allowed to do this if you have 10,000 followers, but if you're looking to link to a website in Instagram, there is another way to do it without having the requirement of 10,000 followers. This method uses IGTV to add a link to your Instagram content. So what you're going to want to do is begin by creating a new post. We can then select the video that we want to add, and you want to make sure that the video you're posting is longer than a minute. So once you find your video, you can select it and then click next in the top right corner. Because our video is longer than a minute, we have the option to post it as a short video, which cuts it down to less than a minute, or we can select long video, which posts it to IGTV. This is the option that you're going to want to select and then click continue. You can then select a cover image for your video and click next. You can now add a title, description, and different details to your IGTV video, and this is where a link will come into play. So you can add a title, and you can always add a call to action to click the link below. This lets people know that a link is going to be included in your description and they can select it. Now that you have your title, you can go into your description, and here's where you can paste a link that others can click. So go and find your link that you want to paste. So let's just say it's this Coldplay live concert video. We're going to copy the link to the video. And then if we go back into Instagram, we can paste the link into our description. Once you have all of those details entered, you're ready to post your video to your profile, which you can do by clicking post in the top right corner. You can now see that our video has been posted, and we also have an IGTV tab on our profile, which we can select to watch the full video on IGTV. If we click our title, the link that we added into our description appears, and if we select the link, we're brought to the YouTube webpage with Coldplay's full live concert. If you want to make sure that this link is featured in your Instagram story, you can always just share the IGTV video to your Instagram story, and others can click the video in your story to watch it and click the link in the description. And that's how to get an Instagram swipe up link without 10,000 followers. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.